What if growing older didn't mean growing weaker? What if your 70s, 80s, or even 90s could be some of the healthiest and happiest years of your life? Many seniors believe that pain, fatigue, memory loss, and weakness are just a normal part of aging. But doctors and wellness experts across the United States now agree, aging well is more about daily habits than age itself. In today's video, we're sharing the best health tips for seniors over 70, simple, safe, and proven strategies that help you stay strong, sharp, mobile, and independent for years to come. So, whether you're 70, 75, or 90, stay with us till the end because one small change today can add years of quality to your life. 1. Prioritize daily movement. Even gentle movement counts. After 70, the biggest enemy of health is not aging, it's inactivity. Many seniors stop moving because they fear pain or falls. But the truth is, lack of movement causes more weakness, stiffness, and balance problems. You don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. You just need consistent movement. Simple daily activities like walking around the house, light stretching, chair exercises, slow balance movements, gentle yoga or tai chi. These improve circulation, protect joints, strengthen muscles, and reduce fall risk. In fact, American health studies show that seniors who move daily are less likely to need walkers, canes, or assisted living. The goal is simple: move a little, every single day. 2. Eat for strength, not just fullness. As we age, appetite naturally decreases. But your body still needs high-quality nutrition to stay strong. After 70, many seniors eat less protein, fewer vitamins, and not enough fiber, leading to muscle loss, weak immunity, and digestion problems. Your plate should focus on lean protein: eggs, fish, beans, chicken, colorful vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. Protein is especially important. It helps maintain muscle, protect bones, speed up recovery, prevent weakness. Even small changes like adding eggs at breakfast or soup with beans can make a big difference. Remember, you're not eating for weight, you're eating for strength. 3. Stay hydrated even if you don't feel thirsty. One of the most overlooked health tips for seniors over 70 is hydration. As we age, the body's thirst signal becomes weaker. Many seniors don't feel thirsty, even when they are dehydrated. Dehydration can cause dizziness, confusion, constipation, fatigue, increased fall risk. Aim to sip water throughout the day. You can also include herbal teas, soups, water-rich fruits like watermelon and oranges. A good rule: if your urine is dark, protect your balance to prevent falls. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury for seniors in the United States. But here's the good news: most falls are preventable. Balance naturally declines with age, but it can be trained and improved. Simple balance habits include standing on one foot near a chair, heel-to-toe walking, sitting and standing slowly, keeping your home clutter-free. Also, make sure your shoes fit well, your vision is checked regularly, your home has good lighting. Strong balance means confidence, independence, and freedom. 5. Get quality sleep. Every night, sleep becomes lighter and shorter with age, but quality sleep is still essential. Poor sleep can worsen memory, blood pressure, blood sugar, mood, pain. To improve sleep, go to bed and wake up at the same time. Avoid screens before bedtime. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Even short naps are okay, but keep them under 30 minutes. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a medicine. 6. Keep your mind active and engaged. A healthy brain needs daily stimulation, just like muscles need exercise. Mental decline is not guaranteed after 70. In fact, many seniors remain sharp well into their 90s. Activities that keep the brain healthy include reading, puzzles, writing, learning new skills, playing board games, Listening to music, social interaction is just as important. Talking, laughing, and sharing stories keeps the brain young. Loneliness is one of the biggest hidden health risks for seniors, even more dangerous than smoking. Stay connected. Stay curious. Stay engaged. 7. Manage stress and emotional health. Stress doesn't disappear with age. It simply changes. Many seniors experience stress from health concerns, loss of loved ones, financial worries, feeling like a burden. Chronic stress weakens the immune system and worsens heart health. Simple stress relief practices include deep breathing, prayer or meditation, walking in nature, gratitude journaling, talking to someone you trust. Your emotional health matters just as much as your physical health. 8. Keep up with regular health checkups. Preventive care saves lives, especially after 70. Regular checkups help detect high blood pressure, diabetes, vision or hearing loss, bone weakness, vitamin deficiencies. Don't wait for symptoms to appear. In the U.S., many seniors delay doctor visits, but early care prevents serious problems later. Think of checkups as maintenance, not illness. 9. Protect your bones and joints. Bone density naturally decreases with age, especially after 70. To protect bones, get enough calcium and vitamin D. Do light weight-bearing exercises. Avoid smoking, limit excessive alcohol. Joint stiffness is common, but movement actually lubricates joints and reduces pain. The more you move safely, the better your joints feel. 10. Maintain a positive attitude toward aging. This might be the most powerful health tip of all. Your mindset shapes your health. Study shows seniors who believe aging can be positive live longer, recover faster, have better mental health. Age is not a weakness. Age is experience. Age is wisdom. Every day you wake up is a gift. Final message, motivational ending. If you are over 70, remember this: you don't need to be perfect. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need exhausting workouts. You just need small, consistent habits. Move a little. Eat smart. Drink water. Sleep well. Stay connected. Stay hopeful. Your body is still capable of healing, strengthening, and thriving no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.